all the river channels are river distribute from there. So you control, regulate the water like a dam. Then you can always keep in peace. So when you start from here, you distribute. Then you take in the air. Before you go up, you go down first. That's how you do it. Always what? Exhale. Now, 深层开口 ascending, begin, sinking, 沉 exhale, 开 open, like a balloon, begin, sinking, exhale. So that mesh. It's a general rule, it's not necessary all the time. In operation, you don't know. But this is for your practicing. First thing I like to ask you to do is just bring your hand from bottom to highest, one breath. So exhale first. Empty your air from your lung, exhale. Control from here and through your nose, breathe in. Who regulates that? Your knee. But who order it? Same thing. So, 一手丹田，气沉丹田。Okay? Then, 沉腰坐胯. That make your knee bend. If you don't bend your knee, you cannot move your hip. Anybody can do that without bending your knee? You are Superman. You have to unlock your knee, then you can run. Right? So when you push forward, exhale. When you lift up, inhale. Just this. Can you try this one? This is important. Very important. The tailbone, in martial we say, 夹尾巴. When you fight, you sit down, the butt is rolling. Okay? You do that, they always give you a little bit of beginner. Okay? So from the posture, I know the limb. So then I saw that person start from here, exhale. Down, inhale. Don't stick out, okay? Raise up. Then bring the chi up to shoulder. Breathe in. Then breathe out. Then follow your shoulder, the chi go along your arm. Alright? So you mind tell your chi. Follow me. Come on, breathe in. And then when you push down, don't push down here. Drop from your hip. 坐胯. Then the tailbone will pull your spine down. Then chi will come from shoulder. Follow it. Exhale. 沉肩坠肘，坐满 very important. One station, two station, three station. Follow it. Breathe in to the shoulder. When you go down, not from here, but drop this one and then let your shoulder, the chi follow the shoulder, circle from behind, and then to the elbow, 沉肩坐满 sink, and then 坐满 very important. When you put your wrist down, like sitting on a chair, you make your finger up. You see that? Up. You feel my finger up? My finger means you didn't do anything. When you do this, your finger put up. Last one is straighten arm, that's called 行手指. Then you need to do what? You need to use your leg, pumping. Straighten up, then your body come up, then you push your force come up through here. You're over here, right? The last moment, you extend your hand arm and then make your finger all upward. Then you can feel your chi is listen to you like you train your dog. Everything you change, you follow it. Okay. You go, follow your will, go. And at this moment, everything is stretchable. Power arrive there. Alright? So every move you do this. Okay? And then another one important is your logic. Everything when you move your joint, it doesn't go straight. It push each other. And then create what? Moving. And that you will control to become your revolting movement. It's called circuit exercise. Because that way you can control the rocking, power, speed. So from here you see my shoulder open, my arm become right. Are they opening? They don't do this. They make everything go. You bring your finger in, point out, exhale. You see that? You see that? Okay, now watch this. Breathe in. Slow down your activity and body and turn. Step one. Alright? Step two. Going down from tip fingertip, bending down, wrist, elbow up, spine lead. And most important, raise your elbow, make a big circle on your shoulder. That's how you heal your background, okay? Then exhale, follow. Now you are combing your hair. You got long hair. Combing down, down, to toe. Have you seen people hair going down toe? I saw it in the TV sometimes. Okay. What you try to do is follow your center, your spine. From here, touch, because the hair attached to your spine. Then here, look. Then follow this conception channel down, and then you move your body with your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this condition, your neck, chin down, and head. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Touch down, touch. Okay, and then breathe in. Here goes. Push down, exhale, curve. Okay. Your body now is curved like a cat. Yeah, very gentle, very soft. Good for you. Change your spine. Then you come back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? Not changing your chi flow, under your control. So go down slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look ahead. Down, 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 down. Here. And now breathe in. Here you go. Out. Exhale, 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 exhale. Down. Touch. Then raise your spine. Breathe in. Push down again. Exhale. Touch. Close the bear. Then come up. Spine and curve. Your hand. Rubbing your hip. Up. Breathe in. Follow your torso. Up to here. Breathe in. Open. Now here goes. Exhale. Here I can tell if your whole body involved or not. Because you can see the shoulder blade, rib cage, everything squeezed. Make air out. Now you control completely. Okay. Now you're going up. Touch. Hard one is your head, knee to look up, your eye look up, your hand over in. Rotate, rotate. Come in here, up, 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 up. Here. Exhale. This is number 1. I have 3 units. I only needed 20 minutes.
Yeah, you're good.
You feel that?
Yeah.
This is important because spine needed work every day. And that make your arm, your spine, and your breathing control, your mind, everything joint. Alright? It doesn't matter what style you do. This is something that every day you wake up, comb your hair. Okay? So, once again, remember, depend your purpose. You want to lift up here, you can breathe what? Slowly, but hand move fast. That's one quote say, 腰寸坚持手杖. When your waist move 1 inch, your shoulder move 1 foot. Your hand move 1 mile. Okay? So that you match. Look. Everything stretch out. Now, when going down, what do you do? Start from here. 1, 2, 3, exhale, 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 exhale. Touch. No more air, right? Then breathe in. Here. Circle your whole body, your whole shoulder, and then touch. Touch your center line, down, down, your spine, bend, 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 bend. Reach your toe, as you see behind you, from your legs, lock your knee, then bend your knee, start swinging your waist a little bit. Inhale, then exhale, drop, deeply, deep, deep. Now, good flexibility. Now come up, raise your knee, straighten your torso, slide your hair up, breathe, breathe. Okay, that's all you take in then. Circle your shoulder, here goes. Elbow closing. If you do this every day, what are you doing? Rehab your shoulder, your back. Yeah, people here, leg problem, shoulder problem. Now they can exercise. We have exhale, exhale. Breathe, quick here, not just here. Okay, and then look up, look up. Good, rock. Elbow in, out, long. Look up, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Fully extending. Hold your breath. And then exhale. This should be done in standing position for healthy people. For people who have problem standing, then it's on wheelchair, you can teach them just up to here, and then still can guide their chi up and down. right? Number one unit, unit one. Unit two is even more clear. It's one arm at a time, but you add what? Pivoting. Because your torso got bending forward and then pivoting. Alright? So how do you turn your waist? You can turn. So, pivot, right? Can you see 6 o'clock? Yeah. You see a mirror in the mirror in your face? Can you see a nose? You see a nose, your apex. Okay? Slowly turn, and the waist. Okay. Then look. Okay, that's your torso is guiding the movement. Now your arm is going to join. This side, you follow your torso, breathe in. Look my arm, circle right, so up. Look up here, breathe in. And then going down, breathe out. Bend your knee, drop. And now breathe in here, very important. Your shoulder now, rotate this way. Not just here. It's turn your waist, raise your elbow right, pivot. Always hand touch your leg. Through, look there. Now, if your elbow touch your chest, if not, you fail. Okay? There's no space. No space. So really straight and then include your rib in your waist and turn fully. Your knee doesn't turn. Okay? Here, from there. Now touch right. Now go back. Exhale. Your hand flat. Your eyes slow. Look to here. Done. That's one breath. Then turn. Now going back to the same block. Watch. Chew up. Twist. Here. Look there. And then here. Comb your hair with the back hand. Up. Now hard one is this. You need to look up. You let your hand pass. Elbow in. Go. Look up. Here. Yes. One side. You find these two already make your body ready. You done your spine forward, backward, and twisting fully, right? Or you can do many things from there. You look at biology. Basically all this. Yeah, up and down, back and forth, side to side, turning. That's it. Okay. So this is a good one. Now we just did one side, right? The other side. Again, exhale first. Relax. And inhale. Remember, circle. Finger. And here, up. And then bend your knee, low down your hip. Exhale. Turn. And then again, shoulder. Breathe in. Straighten your leg. Exhale. 6 o'clock. You see your nose behind in the mirror? You sure you look in your face? Okay, now come back. Turn your head. Then you come down. Come here down. Look at it. That's it. One breath. Going back. Hard one, this one. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now here. All right. Go back. Up. And down. What do you feel? Oh, both sides, back, shoulder, neck, rub, all done. All right? And, you do every day, you're ready for any challenge. So that's two, right? The last one. Last one is for people that balance, impaired balance, getting older, they need a chain, right? Also coordination. So that's the fifth one. 9753 97530 code. Okay. The other two are for 97110 and 97112. It's easier to speak Chinese. Okay, first I want to ask you to do one thing. First, you were standing this way before. It's called shoulder width apart, natural horse stance. That's called horse stance. Okay, don't do like this. Straight in. Where you don't do, right? Tuck in here. So both sides, tuck in. So you feel what? The lower portion of your body become firm because when you spread your knee and you turn your toe in, you make your calf tighten. And then when you push your pelvis forward, you make your hip firm. Okay? So that's called 下重上轻. That's a requirement for Qigong. Every Qigong practice have to have pumping. Let the air come out. So you need to go sing your energy Qi and then you do all these movements, right? You just did. Now, this is even harder. I want you to do it. big core stance. Measure your extension, with 1, 2, 3, open, spread your knee, push your forward, and then drop all the way down like in balancing, 左右开弓式射这样 train your legs, very wide form, and then push in, tuck in. What do you feel now? People start shaking. Alright? And then from here, you're going to change the body stance. Now you're going to learn it. You shift your weight by rotate your knee. Look, if you go right side, your right knee go clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. But never drop this knee. It's called 断劲. Okay, don't break the flow of energy. Before it comes to the extreme, you time to go back. So breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, put it in here, Sanyang Kai Kai, 1, 2, 3. Finger like on the table. Breathe in. You don't see any movement from the mirror, your upper body. Exhale. We call this a yoga. Swing your hip side to side. It's basic exercise. Now, you're going to do this one with a changing posture. From here, whole stance become what? 60, 40, and then now watch this. I want to go attack there, so I turn my waist and always take care of your back leg. When I turn my toe, turn with my waist, number 1, and then after my waist touch center line, I pivot this one, number 2, and then please go up. More narrow stance. Okay? And then when you go back, you push your way back, again, don't take your knee, right? Left leg or right leg, go out, don't go in. And then when you turn to the front, you first this one, turn in, and then when this one then become open, center. So just this one can improve your flexibility and your strength, stability. If you don't do right, you fall. Believe me, okay? So you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is called arrow and the bow, 弓箭. Alright, and that's good for straight punch or strike or push. Alright? And then when you go back, 1, 2, turn, 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 open, drop. You got it? Congratulations. Now you're done, ready to go. Coming here, behind, okay? Coming here from behind, and then coming here from front. Okay, watch. I better face you. Ready, go. Shoot away. Coming here, this and here, disappear. Okay, come from here, watch. Overraise, turn your wrist, and the back hand brush. Okay, coming here, go back under your armpit, shoot way back, go, go, go. Here, turn, turn, turn. And then, watch this. This hand go from front, and then go behind. Now, separate, switch. Did you get it one? Change your palm. In Tai Chi, 退步跨， then turn, and then right hand, right? That's right hand punch. Here, right? That's it. Hey, what you mean? Here, chop. Get an idea now? So when you go here, somebody punch you, block, chop. Alright? And then go back here, go back, go back, go back. Turn, you're ready, and chop. That's it. It's about time, let's get out, right?
Okay, perfect.
Any question?